Hey guys, it's Shantae again, and thank you and welcome to lesson 4 on how to modify our walls that we place in. And I just want to say thank you for bearing with me as I've been creating this course for you during this, I guess we could call it quarantine course. It's been a little interesting because I've still been busy and I'm also getting maybe more session requests and different things like that. So it's a little difficult to also try and fit this in and edit and everything else. So thank you for staying with me. So one of the things that I'm going to show you after we put these walls in, there's a few things we're going to check, and I want you to go down to your view control bar down here at the bottom, and I want you to change a few things. I'm going to go ahead, since we're doing a little small house, I'm going to actually change this to 1/4 of an inch. It's actually going to change the way that things show, and you won't have such a huge file. I'm also going to go to the next item over, which is your detail level, and I'm going to change that to fine, and there's a reason I'm doing that. If you zoom in, you'll see, based off of the wall that we put in, you now can see what the wall is made out of. You see hatch patterns and different things like that. When we head to set the course, and I'm just going to switch it back really quick, when we head to set the course, you don't see that. So I'm going to put it on fine, and it is now correct. Now, and that's another setting for another class, but you'll notice it's showing properly. However, if we had drawn the other way, we went clockwise, if we had gone counterclockwise, the brick would have been on the inside. If you happen to do that, it's not a big deal. You could still fix it. All you need to do is click on one of your walls. It's inside out, okay? There's a little directional arrow that pops up in the middle. All you have to do is click it and flip it. Now, obviously, I clicked it and I flipped it and I put the brick on the inside. I did it wrong. That's okay. Just click and it flips back. Very, very easy. You can also do a right click and say change wall orientation, and it does the same exact thing. So we've got all of our walls flipped and they're facing the right way. Let's say though that you decided, I'm just going to click on one of these, and you said to yourself, well, actually, I wanted this to be from face to face. I wanted it to be 50 feet. As you can see right now, if I zoom in on those dimensions, they're actually showing to the wall center line, and that it has to do with how we place this wall in. We would just put it in. We didn't change any location information. What you can do, all you have to do is you have to think about it this way. I want to change how far away this wall is from that wall. So I'm going to click the grip, and I'm going to click it again so I can get to the face of the wall, and you'll notice that it went to the face of the wall. And then you're going to do it again on the other side. I'm going to click my grip, I'm going to go to the inside face, then it's going to go to the outside face. And I now have it going from face to face. I'm then going to do, I want it to be 50 feet. So now I'm going to click my dimension line, and I'm going to type in 50 feet, and there we go. It now has moved so that this wall here and this wall here are 50 foot long. So that's how you have to think in Revit. It actually has to do with adjacencies and how far away one item is from the other. And I'm going to do it the same way with this wall because I want it to be a 50-foot square. We're going to be nice and plain and simple here. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to click face, click my witness line until it gets to the face. Do it the same thing on this side, and then change this to 50 feet, and I now have a 50-foot square building. And you can join me next time where I can show you how to add in some maybe interior walls and do a little bit more with what we have here with this drawing. Thanks, guys.